You've accumulated some crypto in your Tangem wallet, and now you're probably wondering, how do I turn this digital gold back into actual cash? It's a question many hardware wallet users face. We're all familiar with the ease of buying and holding cryptocurrencies, but the off-ramp, the process of converting your crypto back to fiat currency, can sometimes feel a bit more complex, especially with a sleek, card-based solution like Tangem. Unlike some other hardware wallets that might integrate directly with certain exchanges or have built-in swap functions, Tangem prioritizes simplicity and security. This means the cash-out process isn't a one-click solution within the Tangem app itself. Instead, it involves a few straightforward steps that leverage the broader crypto ecosystem. Think of your Tangem wallet as your ultra-secure vault, and to get your assets out of the vault and into your bank account, you'll need to interact with a reliable exchange. So, let's demystify this process. The core idea is to send your desired cryptocurrency from your Tangem wallet to a centralized exchange where you can then sell it for your local currency. The specific exchange you choose will depend on factors like your location, the cryptocurrencies you hold, and the fees involved. Popular options include Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, or local exchanges that support direct bank transfers in your region. For this guide, we'll outline the general steps that apply across most reputable platforms. First things first, you need to have an account with a crypto exchange that supports withdrawals to your bank account. If you don't already, sign up and complete their KYC, Know Your Customer, verification process. This is a crucial step for regulatory compliance and typically involves providing ID documents and proof of address. While it might seem like a hurdle, it's a necessary part of converting crypto to fiat through regulated channels. Once your exchange account is set up and verified, navigate to the deposit section within the exchange. You'll need to select the specific cryptocurrency you intend to cash out, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or another altcoin. The exchange will then provide you with a unique deposit address for that particular cryptocurrency. This address is essentially the destination for your funds. Double-check that you've selected the correct cryptocurrency and network, e.g., ERC20 for Ethereum and many tokens, or native Bitcoin network for BTC, to avoid any loss of funds. Now, open your Tangem app. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to send. Tap on the Send or Withdraw option. You'll then be prompted to input the recipient's address. This is where you'll paste the deposit address you copied from your exchange. Carefully review the address to ensure it's accurate. Even a single incorrect character can result in your funds being sent to an irretrievable address. Input the amount of cryptocurrency you want to send and confirm the transaction by tapping your Tangem card to your phone. The Tangem app will process the transaction and broadcast it to the blockchain. The time it takes for your funds to arrive at the exchange will vary depending on network congestion and the specific cryptocurrency. Once the funds are confirmed on the exchange, you can then proceed to sell them for your desired fiat currency. Navigate to the Sell or Trade section on the exchange, select your cryptocurrency, and choose the fiat currency you want to receive. Execute the trade, and the fiat equivalent will appear in your exchange account. Finally, initiate a withdrawal from your exchange account to your linked bank account. This typically involves entering your bank details and the amount you wish to withdraw. Withdrawal times can vary based on the exchange and your bank, but generally, it takes a few business days for the funds to reflect in your account. And just like that, your digital assets have been successfully converted back into tangible cash. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.